This is our factory. This machine is finished, used to explain to our customer when they are visit. It's the charcoal briquette machine product line automatic model. The first one, the machine is the carbonization furnace. It has some different material. It can carbonize the coconut shell, palm shell, sawdust, and hazelnut shell, and different material to this charcoal. Input conveyor. This conveyor can adjustable. Control panel control this furnace. This part is LPG or natural gas. It's used for preheating this carbonization furnace. Charcoal will come out from this screw conveyor. Charcoal come out, and you can use your hand to hold the charcoal. It's not hot. The feeder will collect the charcoal and deliver it to next machine, crusher. The crusher can crush the charcoal to powder. Charcoal powder will come out from here. Then to another feeder. Feeder will collect the charcoal powder, deliver it to this mixer. The mixer will mixing the charcoal powder with the blender together. Inside the mixer, after mixed, the charcoal powder will come out by conveyor to next feeder. This feeder can do two sides. One side delivery to another hydraulic press machine. Another side can use the conveyor delivery to another side briquette. This is a small model hydraulic press machine. It can press the different shape briquettes. Here has some sample: cube shape shisha, round shape shisha. This is a ball shape briquette machine. It can press the ball shape and the pillow shape briquette. This one is another model, big model hydraulic press machine. It's very high. This one it also can press the shisha shape and the barbecue shape. This one is a cube shape. It can be changed stainless material. This one is a big model hydraulic press machine. Barbecue. Here is the mold. This one is the hydraulic press machine, briquette machine, charcoal extrude machine in stock. Full product line. This is our factory finished.